This program is made by the volunteers at Math Circle Online. Please join us to explore the wonders of math.
Hi everyone, today we'll be solving the 2015 AMC10B problem number 14. So the question asks, let A, B, and C be three distinct one-digit numbers. What is the maximum value of the sum of the roots of the equation x minus A times x minus B plus x minus B times x minus C, which equals 0? Okay, so in the problem, we have that A, B, and C are distinct one-digit numbers, and we're trying to find the maximum value of the sum of roots of the equation x minus A times x minus B plus x minus B times x minus C, which equals 0. So, first off, we should expand this equation so that you would get x squared minus bx minus ax plus ab using FOIL. And then same thing for x minus b times x minus c. So you would get x squared minus cx minus bx plus bc. And that would get 0. So like this. And then next we would combine like terms, which is just get 2x squared and then minus ax minus bx minus cx, and actually minus 2bx since there's two bx's, and then plus AB plus BC. Okay, now we can see that if you would factor out the x from these three variables, then you would get a standard quadratic equation, which would make it easy to get the sum of the roots. So if you did that, factored out the x, it would look like this. Like that. And now you can tell that these three variables, the sum of these three variables, would be equal to the coefficient of b if you were to write the quadratic formula as ax squared plus bx plus c and equals 0, right? And so this would be b, as it is the coefficient of x of the variable, of the second variable, and 2 would be a, and AB plus BC would be C. So now we can use Vieta's formulas to get the sum of the roots of the equation. So Vieta's formula says that the sum of the roots of a quadratic formula are just negative b over a, using the formula up there. And so by doing this, we get a plus 2b plus c over 2, as 2 is the coefficient of the x squared term. Okay, now we can see that in order to increase in order to get the maximum value of the sum of the roots, we need to have b as the highest number, as b is the one that's getting multiplied by 2, right? So we would first assign b 9, as it is the highest number we can get. So after we do that, a and c will have to be the second and third highest numbers. So in this case, it wouldn't matter. A could be 8 or 7, and c could be 8 or 7. So we would get that, say a equals 8, b equals 9, and c equals 7, for instance. And this would give us a total sum of 8 times 2 plus 2 times 9 plus 7 over 2, which would be 16.5, which is our final answer.